Hi guys! The sun is out today and it's got me wondering, has spring come already? I know it's too early to actually be spring, yet the sun is shining so brightly and the birds are singing so loudly that one can easily pretend that today is spring. And that's what I've chosen to do. Naturally, spring means flowers. I know. To quote Miranda Priestley, florals for spring, groundbreaking. Sorry, Miranda, but yeah, I'm in a floral mood, so flowers it's going to be. The secret garden is absolutely enchanting. There is tangible magic in this friendly little spot in the form of in-season blooms, hand-dipped candles, and handmade vases. Everywhere you look, it's almost as if you're staring at an image straight out of a fairy tale, but retold in a thoroughly modern way. It's always hard for me to choose between bouquets of beautiful blooms, so I select the bunch that I feel most drawn to. Yes, flowers do talk. You just have to learn to listen. What's more perfect than a beautiful bouquet of colorful flowers? Not much. Continuing on my little pre-spring day, I head over for a quick coffee to Alea, a nearby cute little cafe/patisserie that's tucked between two larger buildings, hence its name that literally means alleyway in Greek. One can order a delicious slice of cheesecake here, in case anyone's wondering. It's always very calm and peaceful. I love sitting in this outdoor garden area. It feels very California to me. Not that I'm not happy to be exactly where I am at this time. Come to think of it, by looking forward to springtime, I'm not trying to wish away the months either. I feel like we can often fall into the trap, myself included, of always looking forward to a special date or occasion or a season that we don't really notice the moment we are in the present. It's sort of like mentally time traveling to the future and then realizing that you missed out on the here and now. Have you ever looked back on a moment that occurred years ago with a certain longing in your chest, only for a second later to wonder why you weren't happy during it? In actuality, every season, every situation has its own meaning, and if we aren't too preoccupied with disregarding it in favor of another, then we'll give ourselves the opportunity to notice it. So today's not spring, but a very sunny and lovely late winter's day. I'm in an adorable little spot in Athens, Greece, and not Los Angeles, California. And I'm more than good with the above. How can't I be when I've had such a lovely morning? Take a look at where you are the very second you're watching this and find the beauty in it. Maybe it's staring you right in the face, or maybe you have to scrape back a few layers of irritations. But something's there that, years later, you'll look back on and think, that was a good moment. Thanks so much for joining me and for sharing this moment. Until next time, bye!